So that was last week's print statements. So I want to re-go over these slides with you. So, because I know it's the weekend and maybe you guys did it revised, so we'll do it together. So in Java, it's really important to control how data can be accessed, right? We have different classes, different packages, and we want to control the access to everything. And last week we saw there are 4 different levels, right? Public, protected, default, and private. Okay? Right. So have a look at this picture. So in this picture, we have 3 classes: Class A, Class B, and Class C. Class A and Class B are in package 1. Class C is in package 2, right? So these access levels, we can use them for variables, methods, and classes, okay? So let's look at Class A. If we have a method or variable as public, so it means everyone can access it, right? Class B can access it, Class C can access it, even if it's in a different package. Protected, if you look here, only in the same package they can access it, or subclasses. But don't worry about subclasses right now. Just remember, protected, you can only access it in the same package, right? So you see here, Class C can't use what's in Class A, right? Okay? And default is when you don't put anything. So if you have an int variable, int I, but you don't put public or private or anything, it'll be default. And default means you can only access in the same package, okay? Have a look here. And private, you can only access it in the same class. Only Class A can use private, right? Okay? So here we have 3 different packages, right? So if I have a variable that's public here, can these guys access it? Yes, right? Because it's public. Everyone could access it. And here? Yes, right? But protected, if I have a variable that's protected in Class 2, okay, protected, can they access it? No, right? Because different packages, okay? And if it's default, if I have a default one here, can they access it here? No, only same package, right? And then private, if I have a private variable in Class 2, can they access it? No, only Class 2. Okay, good. So you guys do understand. It's good. All right, so let's have a look at a method. This is a basic method, right? Normally we make methods to do something with data, okay? So normally your method would be like this. Access level, public, private, protected. Return type. This one, void, it means it doesn't return anything. But if it was int or double, it would mean they would have to return a double. We'll see it later. I have a lot of examples. The method name, you can name it whatever you want. But usually you want to make it easy for you. So if this method does like A plus B, you would name it add, right? So it's easy for you to remember. And then these are parameters. These parameters are only used inside the method, and it's data we put into the method. Okay. So I want you guys to try to make this method, okay? Public static void print message. I want you to try to write it right now. And maybe you're wondering what static is. Static is just to allow us to be able to run it without creating an object. Anyways, try to make this first method and then call it print message, and you should have this output. Okay, try it right now.